Hi friends, welcome to Toppers Institute Daily Current Affairs. This is Bhikshapati. So now we will discuss about some of the important current affairs which came newspapers on June 19, 2020. So the first point is here ICICI. So ICICI Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India, that bank launched one scheme, that is a housing finance scheme. The name of this scheme is a Saral scheme. So under the Saral scheme, ICICI will be provided the loans to the urban and rural areas. And so in this regard, we have to remember the some of the some of the important points. The present chairman of the ICICI. The present chairman of the ICICI is Anup Bagchi. So Anup Bagchi is the new chairman of the ICICI. A new MD and CEO also appointed to the ICICI. Main director and CEO. His name is Anirudh Kamani. So Anirudh Kamani. So this is about ICICI, the abbreviation of the ICICI Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India. So recently that Chanda Kochhar, who worked as a head to the ICICI, resigned due to the some corruption allegations. And then the headquarters of the ICICI, that is located in Mumbai. So Mumbai, this is about ICICI. And next very important that plantation method is there. That plantation method is invented by the a Japan person. The name of the plantation name comes under his name only, with the limited area, limited space or limited time. That means that sampling the plantings very effectively grows. That method is called the Miyawaki plantation method or Miyawaki method. This method is invented by the Japan person. His name is Akira Miyawaki. So why this is the news in our Telangana government successfully launched and implemented this program Miyawaki method, and successfully implemented. And nowadays in Telangana, this method is we called as the Yadadri model. So Yadadri model. So what is Yadadri model? What is that Miyawaki? Resembles the same, but here Miyawaki, it is Akira Miyawaki is a Japan person. This is a plantation method. So plantation method. So recently which state in India implementing the Akira Miyawaki method or Miyawaki plantation method or Yadadri model? That is by the Telangana state implementing this method very successfully. And the next point about that is also Telangana. So recently because of the COVID-19 pandemic, because of this COVID-19 crisis, the revenue of the government will decline. That is the decline will decline. That is the reason providing only that salaries of 50%, 60%, only some 75% only. And that means here the Telangana Disaster and Public Health Emergency Special Provisions, one ordinance is released by the issued by the Telangana government. According to this ordinance, that salary, the Telangana government employees will get the salaries very low. That means 50% of the salary will get, and some civil servants also like that only. So this is the Telangana Disaster and Public Health Emergency Ordinance. Recently, because of the pandemic, because of the COVID pandemic, because of the COVID-19 crisis, which state government is department that Salis issued a ordinance, that is the Telangana government issued a ordinance. This is enforced from the this is the will be came into enforced from March 24, 2022, 6 months. March 24, 2022, 6 months. That means this is the Telangana Disaster and Public Health Emergency Special Provisions Ordinance issued by the Telangana Governor Tamilai C. Soundararajan. Then next point is here that Kyrgyzstan Prime Minister. Recently, Kyrgyzstan Prime Minister resigned due to the some corruption allegation. That is the reason a new Prime Minister is appointed to Kyrgyzstan. His name is Kubatbek Borno. Kubatbek Borno is the new Prime Minister of the Kyrgyzstan. The present Kyrgyzstan Prime Minister is Kubatbek Borno. And then Kyrgyzstan capital city is Bishkek. Bishkek is the capital city of the Kyrgyzstan. And the one of the most important current affair, that is a new president is appointed to the United Nations General Assembly in the place of the Tijjani Mohammad Bande. Tijjani Mohammad Bande, who at present working as the 74th United Nations General Assembly president, and his term is will be completed the end of the August. That is the reason from September 1st 2020 onwards, a new president will be appointed. His name is Volker Bozkır, who belongs to Turkey. The first Turkish means the person belongs to Turkey. We call Turkish. The first Turkish who appointed as a president to the United Nations General Assembly is Volker Bozkır. So Volker Bozkır is the president to the 75th United Nations General Assembly. The tenure of a president of United Nations General Assembly is 1 year. So United Nations General Assembly president and United Nations Secretary General is different. The president in United Nations of Organization Secretary General is Portugal person. His name is Antonio Guterres. And next point, a Burning. It is a book written by the Megha Majumdar. So Megha Majumdar, who wrote a book, A Burning. So who wrote that book? Who authored the A Burning, like that book? So that is the answer is here, Megha Majumdar. And the next important point, recently that Russia conducted a military parade. So that military parade, why that Russia conducted military parade? On the eve of the 75th Victory Day of Second World War was held in. That event was held in Russia, the Moscow. That is the capital city of the Russia. The importance of here is so that our Indian tri-services team participate in this military parade. Tri-services means Army, Navy and Air Force. So recently Indian tri-services participate military parade in Moscow. So what is the specialty of that military parade? That is the 75th Victory Day of the Second World War was held in the Moscow in Russia. The present Russia president is Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Putin is the present president of the Russia. And these are some of the important points, important current affairs which came newspaper on June 19, 2020. So thank you very much friends. We will meet again tomorrow.